Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of feature phones. Yes, you heard that right, feature phones. In an age where smartphones dominate, there's still a significant demand for simpler devices that offer essential functions without the distractions of a smartphone. But why would anyone choose a feature phone over a smartphone? Is it nostalgia, simplicity, or maybe the unbeatable battery life? Join us as we explore the top 5 Nokia 4G feature phones that combine classic design with modern connectivity. Let's find out which one might be the perfect fit for you. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Nokia 110 4G. This device is perfect for those who want a simple phone with modern features like 4G connectivity. The Nokia 110 4G is compact and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to carry around. It features a classic alphanumeric keypad, which is great for those who prefer physical buttons over touch screens. One of the standout features of the Nokia 110 4G is its long battery life. With up to 13 hours of talk time on a single charge, this phone ensures you stay connected without constantly worrying about finding a charger. It also comes with a built-in FM radio and MP3 player, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. The phone supports HD voice calls over 4G networks, providing clear and crisp audio quality. This makes it an excellent choice for users who prioritize call quality above all else. Additionally, the Nokia 110 4G includes a basic camera for quick snapshots, although it's not designed for high-quality photography. Another practical feature is its flashlight, which can be incredibly handy in low-light situations. The device also includes several pre-installed games to keep you entertained during downtime. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of a smartphone, the Nokia 110 4G excels in delivering essential features with reliability and ease of use. If you're looking for an affordable and straightforward device with essential features and robust connectivity, the Nokia 110 4G is an excellent choice. Its simplicity and reliability make it ideal for those who want to stay connected without distractions. Next up at number 4 is the Nokia 224G. This model builds on the classic Nokia design that many of us remember fondly from years past. With its durable build and ergonomic design, the Nokia 224G is both comfortable to hold and resilient enough to withstand daily wear and tear. The phone offers seamless 4G connectivity, which means you can enjoy faster internet browsing and clearer voice calls thanks to HD voice technology. The Nokia 224G also supports social media apps like Facebook, allowing you to stay connected with friends and family even without a smartphone. One of the key features of this phone is its impressive battery life. With up to 27 days of standby time and hours of talk time, it's perfect for those who need a reliable phone that doesn't require frequent charging. This makes it especially suitable for travelers or individuals working in remote areas. The device also includes an FM radio that works without headphones, a rare feature in modern phones, and an MP3 player for music lovers. The VGA camera allows for basic photography needs, capturing moments when needed without expecting high-resolution images. Overall, the Nokia 224G offers a great balance between functionality and simplicity. It's perfect for users who want to stay connected through calls and social media without being overwhelmed by unnecessary features. Coming in at number 3 is the Nokia 235 4G. This model takes simplicity to another level while offering some modern touches that make it stand out among other feature phones. Its sleek design combined with robust functionality makes it a compelling choice for users seeking practicality. The Nokia 235 4G supports VoLTE calls over LTE networks, ensuring high-quality voice communication. It also provides basic internet access through its Opera mini browser, ideal for checking emails or browsing light websites without consuming too much data. Its battery life is another highlight, designed to last days on a single charge thanks to its efficient power management system. This makes it perfect for users who need their phone to last throughout long workdays or trips away from power sources. In terms of entertainment options, the Nokia 235 comes equipped with an FM radio and MP3 player so you can listen to music or catch up on news wherever you are. The inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity allows easy pairing with wireless headphones or speakers, a nice touch not always found in feature phones. Despite lacking advanced smartphone capabilities like app stores or high-resolution cameras, it has a basic camera. This phone shines in delivering core functionalities efficiently while maintaining affordability, a testament to Nokia's commitment to quality in feature phones. At number 2 on our list is the Nokia 6300 4G, a modern take on a classic design that many will remember from earlier iterations of this model lineup back in the early days of mobile phones. This updated version brings much-needed enhancements while retaining its nostalgic charm. The standout feature here has got to be its integration with Google Assistant. Yes, a smart assistant on a feature phone. This allows users quick access via voice commands, making tasks such as setting alarms or sending messages easier than ever before. Another significant upgrade lies within its connectivity options. Supporting Wi-Fi hotspot functionality means you can share your internet connection with other devices, a rare but valuable addition within this category. Its build quality remains top-notch, crafted from durable materials ensuring longevity despite regular use. Coupled together with excellent battery performance, upwards towards several days depending upon usage, this makes it ideal whether you're commuting daily or heading off-grid temporarily. Entertainment-wise, it doesn't disappoint either. Equipped alongside traditional FM radio and MP3 capabilities are additional streaming services accessible via iOS platform, giving users access beyond typical offline media consumption experiences found elsewhere within similar devices. In conclusion, the combination between advanced features alongside tried and tested reliability ensures users receive value beyond expectations typically associated within budget-friendly offerings such as these, making Nokia's return to form evident here indeed. 1. Nokia 5710 Xpress. The Nokia 5710 Xpress Audio is a unique feature phone that combines classic design elements with modern audio capabilities, making it a standout device in the feature phone market. The Nokia 5710 Xpress Audio pays homage to the classic Nokia 5700 Xpress music, adopting a candibar form factor with a small 2.4-inch TFT LCD screen and a traditional T9 keyboard. This design is both nostalgic and functional, appealing to those who appreciate physical buttons for typing. The phone's build quality is robust despite its plastic housing, providing a satisfying tactile experience. Available in striking color combinations like black, white and reddy white, the phone's aesthetic is enhanced by red accents and a patterned back cover. One of the most innovative aspects of the Nokia 5710 Xpress Audio is its built-in true wireless stereo (TWS) earbuds, which are stored in a sliding compartment on the back of the phone. This feature integrates seamlessly with the phone's design, allowing users to easily access and charge their earbuds directly from the device. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.0 ensures that users can pair these earbuds with minimal latency, providing a smooth audio experience whether indoors or outdoors. Underneath its retro exterior, the Nokia 5710 is powered by a Unisoc T107 chipset with 48 MB of RAM and 128 MB of internal storage, expandable via microSD cards. There you have it, folks, our top 5 Nokia 4G feature phone.